Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you Klaviyo flaws, one of the most powerful features for automating your email marketing. Whether you are new to Klaviyo or looking to refine your email strategies, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Klaviyo flaws are automated email sequences that allow you to communicate with your customers based on their behavior or specific triggers. Think of them as a virtual assistant, sending personalized emails without you needing to do anything. For example, when someone subscribes to your newsletter or makes a purchase, you can automatically send them a welcome email or a thank you message, all on autopilot. This helps build stronger relationships with your customers and boosts your revenue. All right, let's hop into Klaviyo and set up a basic flaw from the Klaviyo dashboard. Head to the Flaws tab on the left side. First of all, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are in, select Flaws tab on the left side. Once you are in the Flaws section, click on Create Welcome Series or build your own. You'll prompt it to choose pre-built for flow templates or create one from scratch. Let's start with a simple welcome series flow, which is great for step for engaging new subscriber. Now let's customize this flows. The first thing you will notice is the trigger, the top. This is what starts the flow. Like someone subscribing to your email list or making a purchase, you can edit the trigger by clicking on it. Next, you will see a series of emails that follow the trigger. Each email can be timed, personalized, and tailored to your audience's needs. For example, you can edit the first email in the flow to include your brand's tone and make it a welcome message. You can also add a discount code to encourage a first purchase. Don't forget to personalize it with the customer's name using Klaviyo's dynamic variables. Click Next. To make your flow even smarter, you can add conditions and filters. This means you can set up rules to control who gets what email based on certain behaviors. For example, you might want to send a different email to someone who has already made a purchase versus someone who hasn't. Now select an option from here, then click Next. Use a unique coupon code or use a static coupon. Then add your coupon code like ABC10 and coupon description 10% off. Then click next. Timing is key. Klaviyo gives you full control over each email in your flow is sent. You can set a delay between emails so your subscribers don't feel overwhelmed. For example, you might want the second email in your welcome series to be sent 2 days after or 3 days. The first email to do this, simply drag the delay to delay action to appropriate place in the flow and adjust the timing. Once you are set up your flow, it's crucial to test it to make sure everything works as expected. Klaviyo allows you to preview emails and send test messages before go live. Then click next again and click continue. After the flow is live, keep an eye on the analytics to see how your emails are performing. Klaviyo provides detailed reports on open rates, click rates, and conversions so you can tweak and optimize your flows. And click review and turn on. Then preview, and there it is. And that's a wrap. Today we covered the basics of settings up and customizing a Klaviyo flow. With these automations in place, you can save time and ensure your customers are getting personalized messages at the right moment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.